Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy was formally conferred the Ministry Service Recognition Award and named Youth Advocate of the Year during the Mindanao People's Choice Award 2026 held in the Coronadal City. The recognition highlights his dedication to public service and his role in shaping the next generation of leaders. Here are the details from Jean Domingo.
Dito sa Coronadal City, nakatanggap ng pagkilala si Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy mula sa Mindanao People's Choice Awards para sa kanyang walang sawang malasakit sa mga kabataan at sambayan ng Pilipino na isa lamang sa kanyang mga advokasiyang ramdam, hindi lamang sa Pilipinas, kundi sa buong mundo.
The Mindanao People's Choice Awards began as an initiative to honor individuals who have made direct contributions to the progress and development of Mindanao.
Halong emosyon, siyempre nandyan yung excitement, yung pride, tsaka yung sobrang happiness din dahil yung mga pinaghirapan noong araw ay nagkaroon ng ganitong activity na nagkaroon ng pagkakataon para ma-recognize dahil dito sa isa ako sa napasali dito sa nabigyan ng recognition or award.
Well, I'm very happy, ma'am, kasi unang-una po, hindi po tayo Muslim, no? Pero nare-recognize po yung ating effort. So, I'm very proud, no, na makarating po dito sa Cotabato, dito sa Marbel, para po sa award na ito. Actually, this is my first time, ma'am, na makarating po sa Mindanao because of this award.
Ako po ay nagpapasalamat at nagagalak at naging isang awardee po ako ng Mindanao's People's Choice Award. And sukran to all, and I am really excited. Thank you.
Through the years, it has evolved into a significant institution that honors leaders across various sectors whose advocacies create a lasting impact on society.
Meron talaga may pagmamalaki ang people na mga Mindanao. Especially me, I'm proud coming here because most of the time, if you will hear from other places of the Philippines, they are from Mindanao, they are not qualified or they're not about to succeed, but they are wrong. There are lots of people in Mindanao who are capable to succeed in all aspects of life.
Siyempre alam naman natin lahat na halos lahat ng mga magagaling galing Mindanao. Kaya siguro na-create namin itong Mindanaoans para naman yung mga tahimik na gumagawa ng mga humanitarian services, gumagawa ng talagang galing sa puso nila, ma-recognize.
Youth Advocate of the Year. Congratulations to Reverend Dr. Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy.
During the gathering held in Coronadal City, Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy was honored with the Ministry Service Recognition Award and the title of Youth Advocate of the Year, which was accepted by the KOJC Executive Minister on his behalf.
Pinapagput ko po ang pasasalamat ng aming mahal na Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy, sa award-giving body ng Mindanao People's Choice Award for recognizing his effort na ma-establish ang Keepers Club International. It was really his desire for nation building na makatulong in particular sa sektor ng mga kabataan para mapalayo sa masasamang dulot ng droga through music and arts and leadership skills. Kaya again, sa lahat din ng mga awardees, maraming salamat po at patuloy natin mahalin ang ating nag-iisang Pilipinas. Mahalin natin ang Pilipinas. Tuloy.
Also recognized was Keepers Club International, which took home the award for Outstanding Youth Organization for Social Responsibility and Advocacy. In 2026, The institution emphasized the contributions of Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy, who is known not only as a spiritual leader across the globe, but also as a multi-awarded global leader, holding numerous academic degrees and prestigious recognitions both locally and abroad. For many decades, even before the arrival of plaques and trophies, the voice of Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy has served as a beacon to millions of lost souls in need of enlightenment in every corner of the world. Unknown to the public for many years, whether recognized or not, the core of Pastor Apollo's mission has been providing direct assistance to those in need. He has become a pillar for millions of children by providing free food, clothing, and quality education. He has also dedicated his own birthday as adopted birthdays for underprivileged children, not only in the Philippines, but throughout the world. Under his Gift of Education program in institutions such as Josemaria College, Foundation Incorporated, he provides opportunities for youth from underprivileged families to graduate and secure a bright future. Equally invaluable is his role in advocating for the rights of indigenous peoples, where he was adopted as Dato Tod Labon and Dato Pangulingan. This compassion extends to the environment through massive cleanup drives and tree planting initiatives. These efforts aim to turn idle lands into productive green havens. His organization is quick to provide sacks of rice, clean water, and millions of relief goods. This swift action reflects his vow to support the government's nation-building efforts and to uplift those on the fringes of society. Amidst various challenges, his public service initiatives remain unshaken. This recognition in Coronadal City is a testament that his efforts continue to inspire and bring hope to millions globally. Organizers noted that Pastor Apollo's dedication stands as a prime example of leadership committed to real transformation.
Pastor, pray, daming nagpre-pray sa'yo na sana mabigyan ka ng justice, mabigyan ng talagang yung sinasabi mo na siya na bahala lahat, gagawin yun, mag-o-open yung gate. Hindi lang dito sa Mindanao sa taga Cebu, yung Visayas, lalo na sa Maynila, ma-international pa nga. Kaya lahat ng mga natulungan ni Pastor Quiboloy, talagang believe ako dahil nandoon pa rin yung paniniwala na mabigyang hustisya ang mga nangyari sa kanya ngayon.
Despite various limitations, many believe and can attest that Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy's achievements in the fields of public service, education, and disaster relief far exceed the typical accomplishments of those in official positions.
He is really very important. Pastor is very important, lalo na for nation building. Kasi he is the one molding us. Kung hindi po dahil kay Pastor, hindi po natin makikita kung ano po yung ginawa niya para sa mga youth. Napakalaki po ng kanyang contribution in terms of molding the young people na talagang yung kanilang leadership makatulong para sa ating bayan. May mga examples na mga kabataan na totoong maglilingkod para sa ating bayan dahil yun din po si Pastor. Ito yung reflection niya kung ano po ang ginawa niya sa mga young people na ito, ganun din po si Pastor. That is why, Pastor, thank you so much. We really love you, we miss you so much, and that one day we really hope to see you. And this is really all for you, Pastor. We are very proud of you. Thank you po, sir.
Yes, of course. Light is always a light, and goodness is always a goodness. It can never be overshadowed by darkness or anything. No? Mananatiling ang matuwid ay matuwid. Kaya ito'y nagpapatunay na ang ginagawa ni Pastor Apollo Quiboloy ay liwanag na hindi pwedeng tabunan ng kadiliman. To the Mindanao People's Choice Award, thank you very much for recognizing the effort of our beloved pastor, Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy. Hindi ito inaasahan. Kasi nga wala siya rito, hindi naman siya nakakasama physically. But as I said, goodness is always goodness and light remains a light that cannot be overshadowed by darkness.
Whether there is formal recognition from the public or not, Pastor Apollo remains a fountain of enlightenment for millions of individuals worldwide. The award conferred upon him in Coronadal City serves as a reaffirmation of the depth of his influence, not only as a spiritual leader, but as a true public servant whose principles and advocacies remain unshakable and will continue both within the country and abroad.
Pilit pang pigilan, gaano man pahirapan, hindi nito mahahadlangan ang misyon ni Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy, di lamang sa bawat kabataan, kundi sa bawat Pilipino. Yan ang pinakahuling ulat mula dito sa Coronadal City. Ako si Jean Domingo para sa Diyos at sa Pilipinas kong mahal.